Hey guys, welcome back. So today we got 2021 GV80. So I'm doing a rear brakes replacement. As you can see there, we have 3 mm thickness of the pads, and the rust on the disc is heavy in there, right? But in this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to retract our what do you call that, our piston and our caliper, especially with the electronic parking brake and the caliper, right? So one way you can do is using the scan tool. You could do service mode, and the other way is to remove the whole motor, right, and do it manually. The only downfall with that is, especially in the rust belt area, if the mounting bolt for the electronic part of this parking motor is seized, you can't really do that, right? So just be mindful with that, right? But if you have a scan tool, do that. If you don't have an option to use a scan tool, well, I'm gonna show you how to do this, right? So first, we're gonna remove these two Allen key bolts there, or screw. I'm using a HW5. So I tried also this on Hyundai vehicles. It also works. So let's do this first. Okay, so let's do the other bolt. Oh, that's tight. Okay, so now I'm just gonna pry this. Just be careful, right? And be mindful of the orientation of the motor, right? I think it's just gonna go one way, but the connector should be on top of the caliper, right? The position of it. Okay, so that's out, right? Now we're gonna grab, I think this is a triple square, but I'm just gonna use a Torx bit, right? So just put that aside, your motor. So let's see what's the size of this. Okay, so this one is a T40, but if it's a triple square, I don't know what's gonna be the size. But so what you're gonna do is you're gonna go clockwise, right, until it stops. Just in case if you're gonna get mistake, if you're gonna go counterclockwise, when you push this in, you cannot push it, right? So just go on the other or the opposite way. So right now we're just doing clockwise. So we're retracting that whatever is part, and then it will just stop. So don't go crazy on it. So now, as you can see, this design, usually on the older models or like the regular caliper, you have to use like a brake compressor and a certain pattern to turn it, right? In this case, we retract this, right? We just have to push this piston. So usually I'll just use a C-clamp, or if you have a channel lock, you can use that too. So and it's just gonna go push in now. And then until it stops. That's your maximum, and that's fully in already, the piston. Okay, so that's done. Right now, just wipe your surface here so that your new the motor will go in nicely. So I'll just wipe also this guy. So that's the position, and this guy should position like that, right? And it should be easy when you push it in, right? Okay. Hand thread it first. Make sure that it goes in nicely there. You don't want to use power tools here right now. No, it's not going in. Okay, let's hand thread. Other side. Okay, now we can use our power tools. Okay, you're gonna ask, what's the torque spec on that one? I don't know, but just hand tight it. Don't go crazy because it's just plastic, right? As long as it's in and tight. So now this caliper is ready to be installed once you install your new brake components. And after that, once you're done, especially doing both rear brakes, just go inside the car, apply 2-3 times your parking brake. Make sure you hear the motor that's engaging and disengaging, and that's about it. So that's a quick video here regarding if you don't have a scan tool and you're servicing your rear brake caliper, right, with a parking motor in there. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next time. Thank you for watching.